Hey, Mike here. This afternoon we're fishing at a spot along the Saco River where in the past there's been plenty of beautiful white perch, yellow perch. The water temperature is still a little cold. The pressure is 29.36 and falling. We'll hang out for a bit, see what happens, and we'll let you know. Here's a view from where I'm fishing. It's beautiful. Water's calm, rain just stopped. Really nice reflection. Even if I don't catch a fish, just spending some time out here, clearing your head of all the everyday struggles of life and what goes on in this world. It will take you away. Not sure. See what we got. Oh. Oh God. Oh no, don't come off. There we go. Oh, I lost it. I can't believe that. Lost whatever it was. Not sure what that was that I just lost. Felt pretty heavy. May have been a bass, but we're gonna rebait, get it out there and see if it wants to hit again. Maybe it's got a brother or a sister around. Well, I guess I'm gonna call it a day. No real luck. Lost one, couple bites. Rain's coming in. Fog's coming in. Got a few geese just flying in too. But overall, it was a good day. Take care.